In this video, I will show you how to uninstall Riot Client on Windows. So to get started, go ahead and open your Windows device. On your Windows device, you'll need to head over into the control panel. Now once the control panel pops on your screen, click on this Uninstall a program under the Program section. In here, go ahead and look for Riot Client from your app list. Now what you'll need to do is to go ahead and right click on Riot Client. So once you right click on it, you'll find this uninstall button. Simply confirm uninstallation, and then you need to go ahead and reload this page, such as the control panel, to check if Riot Client has been uninstalled successfully for your Windows device. Once it's gone, you can go ahead and head over into the File Manager section. On the File Manager section, look for the Riot Client executable file and simply delete that. That is how you can basically uninstall Riot Client on Windows device. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe into the channel to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.